So I can say to a businessman, to a church, to anybody who wants to make a donation, I can say to them, okay, look, here's the need. Here is an orphan child. Here is a war-torn country. Here is the devastation. I've seen it with my eyes. I've lived in the middle of it. I've walked in the middle of it. From it, we have trained up this person. We gave them a little bit, they did well. We gave them a little bit more, they did well. We gave them a little bit more, they did well. They accomplished the task in the time allowed within the budget.
Amen.
And they reported back to us every cent. They lived frugally.
They proved themselves trustworthy.
There you go. And so I feel that I can receive from you and deliver to them.
That's right.
And your desire will be met through these people.